What you can do with Trello cards is add in an attachment so that the collaborators can easily access the files that you're working with as well. In order to do that, let's say for example, I'm going to go on to the shooting card, and over here on the right side, you see attachment as an option. So if I were to click over here, just like as in an email attachment, what you can do is you can go onto your computer, click on that, and you can see that the window pops up. So you can go over here and select a file that you want to add in. So let's say for example, I want to select this image as an attachment. So if you were to open that up, what happens is that that file will get uploaded. It's processed as an attachment right here. And the image has been attached onto the card right here. So it's processing. You can also go to attachment and you can attach different Trello cards. So you can go over here onto Trello. So let's say you want to link this onto scene 3, for example. So what happens is that the scene 3 is added in an attachment. So there are 2 attachments, as you can see right here. You can also click over here to add in more Trello attachments. So you can add in, let's say, scene 8 as well. And there are 2 attachments right there. So you can add in a link just like this. And you can also click on add attachment and select further options. So what else are options right here? So what you can do is if you were to select Google Drive, you can sign in to your Google Drive and then attach the file as well. You can sign in to Dropbox and attach the file as well, from Box and OneDrive as well. So different cloud services are supported for attachment as well. Another thing that you can do is attach a link. For example, let's say for example you want to attach a YouTube channel. What you can do is just type in the address like youtube.com/tutortube, just like this. So I'm just going to type in the TutorTube channel, and here I'm just going to say TutorTube, just like this, and attach. And what happens is that the channel link is attached. So this is how you can attach as well. So you can go and search for any web address and attach that out. So once you close this out, you can see that the picture is here. The picture attachment has turned itself into cover. We're going to talk more about cover in the next lesson as well. And then what happens is that there are attachments. You can see it by this icon right here. So once you click on it, what happens is that the attachment is there. So that is how you can work around with Trello attachments inside of Trello boards. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.